remain strong over last year's home prices and are up despite being the fall season in Maryland and with the uncertainty leading up to the elections. It's Friday, November 8th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Meanwhile, the past 30 days in the luxury market was strong as buyers paid cash for properties, higher price tags, but available properties dropped by 9.7%. Prices were also up this past week from last year, this same time on the Eastern Shore, by 14.4%. Baltimore metro area prices are up 4.4% from last year. Southern Maryland prices fell 6%. The suburban Maryland market is up 3.2% year over year. Now, new listings to hit the market rose 10.8% to 1,882, but coming soon inventory dropped again this week by 9.5% to 1,032. 1,584 homes went under contract this week in 17 days. 1,467 homes sold this past week in 15 days at 100% list to sold ratio. Rentals are at $2,753 for lease at $2,500 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, November 8th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.